Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get this devil boss image and grow a garden too. Okay, let's get into it guys. I'm going to show you image ID for this devil boss image. First, you need to have the picture frame in your garden. Once you have the picture frame, you need to edit the image ID. And this is image ID for the devil boss. 11749475686537. Okay, just add this image ID and you will get this devil boss image for your picture frame in Grow a Garden 2. Okay guys, and that's the image ID or the picture code for devil boss in Grow a Garden 2. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye!